Hydraulic Cylinders Incorporated stocks replacement cylinders for a wide variety of Caterpillar models, including backhoe loader attachments, dozers, excavators, grapples, haul trucks, and articulated off-highway dump trucks. Each cylinder is carefully crafted to meet or exceed OEM standards, ensuring top performance and durability. In addition to our stock cylinders, Hydraulic Cylinders Incorporated can design and manufacture custom hydraulic cylinders for other Caterpillar equipment, tailoring solutions to meet your unique needs. Our knowledgeable team is ready to assist you in finding the right hydraulic solution. Using our proprietary database, we verify compatibility to ensure the best fit for your equipment. Orders placed by noon Central Time qualify for same-day shipping on in-stock products. Visit hydrauliccylindersinc.com to browse our inventory and keep your Caterpillar machines running efficiently with our quality replacement hydraulic cylinders.